안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will make a tasty and healthy soup using extra soft tofu and dried laver. It is called SunDuBu GimGuk in Korean. Prepare 1 pack of extra soft tofu, SunDuBu. Cut the tofu into big chunks with a spoon. Tear the dried laver, kim, into small pieces with your hands. Add the dried laver to the boiling water, 끓는 물, along with the tofu. Season the broth with the fish sauce, 액젓, and the salt, 소금. Cook it for about 5 minutes on medium-high. Meanwhile, finely chop the green onions, 파, and thinly cut the red hot pepper, 홍고추. Add all the chopped veggies and cook it for 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat and then drizzle the sesame oil, 참기름, and add the black pepper, 후추 for the final touch. Serve this soup with rice, kimchi, and the other Korean side dishes. We created a special 15% discount coupon only for our Eddie's Kitchen friends in our Korean Etsy shop. Please check it out if you are in need of potential future wholesome, fresh gourmet food from your own care. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye!